favorites. I don't know, bolognese, barnay. It's all like beef. It's really good. A little pork belly and all that too. And I think my food was maybe 70,000. Okay, so it's, to be honest, it's about $4. Anyway, I just got my food. It was 65,000 Vietnam dong, which I think 100,000 is $6 Australian. I'll take it home and I'll give you a look later. Alright, so here's. So this is what you get from Barney for $5. Okay, so I just got back. I'm getting a steak dinner from Barney. I don't know, something like that. But anyway, this is what I got. It was like, I don't know, it was like $5. But egg, got American beef in there, pate, beef ball, some, I don't know what that is. You get salad, you get 2 rolls, and yeah, sauces. But anyway, so we get. Very cheap, very nice. Yeah. Uncle making video, you want to be in video? No. No bun, eh? TMK. I make a little bit of radish, carrot. Tiny, you're gonna be on YouTube? Yeah, Tiny on YouTube. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna have to go to Pagoda. Oh. Oh. All right. Stay coming. Huh? If I know you come home, I buy you dinner, Tiny. I don't know. You have already. In, Mom.
Muốn ngồi ăn với anh Phò.
Con. YouTube Tiny. That was tea. Anyway.